Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix lag and stutter in the Oblivion Remastered game. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do first is to just click on escape on your keyboard and then you should be taken to this page right here. So now what you're going to do first is to click on system right here and then click on this like a monitor symbol right here as you can see. So now if you scroll down in here, you will be able to see the quality level in here. So actually I have it set to low myself because that actually fixed it for me. But let's say that you have it set to maybe high as an example. Mine was actually set to high before and like that's just, yeah, it crashed like all the time. For me it lags, crashed, stutters, etc. So actually I would suggest to you to keep it on low if you can and then click on the escape button again and click on confirm. Because as you can see, even if you keep it on low, it is actually not that bad still. As you can see, it's not bad at all. And it's like the gameplay is a lot more smoother now. It doesn't lag that often, it doesn't stutter that often for me anymore. It does that from time to time still, unfortunately, but it's not as bad as it was before for sure. So try these settings and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.